Welcome to our channel. If you want to temporarily lock your PNC debit or credit card to prevent unauthorized use, follow these steps to use the lock card feature on the PNC mobile app. Step 1. Download and open the PNC mobile app on your smartphone. Log in using your online banking username and password. Step 2. From the main dashboard, select the credit card or debit card account you want to lock. Step 3. Tap on the card controls, manage card or lock card option within the account details. This feature may be listed under the security or settings section. Step 4. Toggle the lock card switch to the on position. This will immediately prevent any new transactions from being processed on the card. Step 5. Review the confirmation message explaining that locking your card will block purchases, withdrawals, and other transactions but will not affect recurring payments or pre-authorized transactions. Step 6. Confirm that you want to lock the card by tapping Yes or Confirm. Your card is now locked and cannot be used for new purchases. Step 7. If you find your card or want to use it again, return to the card controls section and toggle the lock card switch to the off position to unlock it instantly. Step 8. For added security, consider setting up alerts in the PNC mobile app to notify you of any attempted transactions on your locked card. If your card is lost or stolen permanently, contact PNC customer service to report it and request a replacement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.